I accidentally didn't hit pause, so now I'm doing a new video, continuation of the video before. This is the magnet straight across, no offset between the two rotors. If you watched the last video, you saw that there's no offset. So I want to see what happens now. This is kind of standard logical fashion is how you would think it should be. Looks like it gets up to, it's going to get up to 1600. Looks like it's, whoops. Almost 1600. Okay, that's what that is. Now let's short out the coils. This one. Okay, I shorted out the coils with the magnets straight across from each other, zero offset, and it has Lenz's law. You can hear it. Look how much it's dropped. It's quite a bit of Lenz's law, and it's still dropping. 1300 RPM, it's going to go, see, it just keeps going down and down. So this is definite Lenz's law with the Lenz reaction. Shouldn't call it a law, it's a reaction. So, that's no good. So I'm going to make an offset and make it so this doesn't happen. In fact, it speeds up. So here we go. Okay, so now I offset this back rotor in relation to the front rotor. Motor coil is the front rotor, generator coil is the back rotor. Now I have there's the front hole I drilled, and here's the back, so it's quite a bit. I'd say about 15 to 20 millimeters again. Not sure, but that's what it is. That much trailing. It's going to go this direction, so this rotor is trailing this rotor. Here we go. It's now not shorted. And I'll start it up. Hold on. Okay, started it up. I'm going to check RPMs. This is not shorted. N-O-T. Not shorted out. RPMs. Getting up there. Still climbing. I'm going to have to take this apart. This rotor in front is not, it's a little whoopy. Reza made these rotors for me, 3D printer, and they're made for a 1/2-inch shaft hole in the rotors, and the hub in the middle is for 1/2-inch shaft. But I wanted to use roller skate bearings, So, and it's a 5/16 inch shaft. And so I just wrapped a bunch of masking tape around that axle until it fits snug into the 1/2 inch hole. So I wanted to get this going. So Razor made a tube for me, 3D printer that's I can slip over this shaft and it'll have an outside diameter of 1/2 inch. I'm waiting for it to come in the mail. So I need to do that with this thing. Okay, let's see what the, yeah, whoops. Okay, so we only got to about 1553. That's all we got for RPMs, but let's now short it out. Put my camera down 1 second. Okay, I shorted it out. Generator coil shorted out. Remember, it used to be 1553 in the shorted condition. Now it's up to 1629 and climbing. So we're seeing some pretty good speed up under shorted coil, generator coil condition. And I'm sorry, I know everybody wants to know, well, what's your amp draw? What's your load? What's your amps to the load? What's the voltage across the load? You know? And I don't blame you. I'm going to find that out too. Right now, I just want to see checking the offset angles. And I just saw that it makes a speed up condition, which I haven't seen before. So I'm checking that out. And, you know, these magnets are so close together, I don't think the field of the generator coils has much time to collapse in between. And maybe that's a good thing. See that? There's 15 millimeters between 20 millimeter wide magnets. So I have another couple rotors ready to go that have north-south, north-south. And that should make some good AC happening. But right now it's, if I put this on a scope, I'm sure it's kind of a funny pulse DC with a little bit of collapsing field in between. I don't really know. Maybe, I don't know. I need to put it on a scope. And anyways, so I gotta go. My wife's calling. So there's the couple tests. Okay, thanks for watching.